and you see the top of my head. Everyone needs to see the top of my head. Hello.
Kinda Maria, she's barely Maria, but she's surely Maria, just kinda. I don't get it.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode on my channel. Happy New Year. Yeah, I know it's been 1 month since 2019 started. But there's a good reason for that. I spent all of January traveling, specifically in Malaysia and India. And oh my god, this country right here is food paradise.
The best coconut milk I've ever had. The best mango sorbet I've ever had. The softest lobster I've ever had. The best tom yum soup I've ever had.
That's really good.
That's really good. That's good.
It's really good.
It was so good. I don't want to leave. This is so good.
And then I basically went from that to this.
What is this? What is this?
Canada just makes me so upset sometimes. Anyways, to fight off this garbage weather, I brought home some snacks to remind me of the beautiful 40 degrees Malaysia. Let's start eating. Oh my god. My abs. Isn't it ironic that it just started snowing as I pulled out the snacks? The first snack that I'm gonna be trying is Eureka, joy of discovering new taste. Nobody does popcorn like us. Guys, this is literally what it says. Gourmet popcorn. Now you're probably asking me, Maria, why the hell did you go to Malaysia and buy popcorn out of everything that you could have found? Well, there's a reason for that. So me and my cousins found this popcorn and this popcorn. The first one that I have here is the Randan chicken. Randan is how I would imagine a white person saying it, but Randang. I'm trying to remember how my cousins speak in Malay. Randang la. So the flavor, how I would describe this to you, it's really spicy. Malaysia does not tone down on spice, okay? Be far warned, white people. And you get a lot of the same flavors that you would get in a Randan chicken. It uses a lot of lemongrass, the ginger and the shallot and the chiliness. It has these curry leaves that they fried along with it, and you can actually eat these. Crispy and really good. Okay, the next one that I have here is Eureka's Nobody Does Popcorn Like Us white coffee flavor. Very good. It tastes like burnt caramel with this slight tinge of coffee, and that kind of reminds me of actual white coffee because white coffee is something really unique to Malaysia. White coffee is less acidic and it doesn't really taste as much as coffee. Now, I don't really drink coffee because I got crazy coffee jitters, but surprisingly, white coffee I didn't. Okay, the next treat that I'm gonna be trying is the rose Kitkat. When I smell this, I smell the rose essence, like rose water. That is good. It obviously doesn't taste like your regular Kitkat. This is white chocolate, sweet, and it's flavored with that rose water. I really like this a lot. The next one that I'm gonna be trying is the green tea Kitkat. Literally everyone on the face of this planet has probably tried green tea Kitkat because it's just such a craze online, but I haven't, okay? So that's why I bought it. Right away when I smell it, you smell a really strong green tea, almost like matcha flavor. You get the bitterness from the green tea, but then after, as you keep eating it, you get the sweetness from the white chocolate, which actually tastes very, very enjoyable to eat. And the last and final snack that I have here is Super Ring. It's a cheese with natural flavor ring. That's what it looks like. This tastes like sweet Cheetos, and I know it sounds weird because Cheetos are very savory, but this is like almost like cream cheesy, I guess. This is instantly my next favorite thing. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed my Malaysian snack review. If you like this video, give it thumbs like, and also leave a comment. You guys know you guys leave comments. You should. How do I know what you're thinking if you don't write it? I'm not talking to you in real life, so you gotta leave comments. And if you like my channel, I have hot air. Too glad.